Hi friends, this is the fire alert system. When I keep a fire in front of the flame sensor, it detects the fire and activates the buzzer and also blinks the red LED light. At the same time, it will display the fire alert warning message on the LCD display. Let's get into the video. Required components for this project: Arduino UNO board, LCD display, flame sensor, one buzzer, one red LED light, one breadboard, and some jumper wires. First, I am connecting the jumper wires to the LCD display. This is the full circuit diagram. Now I am going to make the all connections as shown in this circuit diagram. After completing the all connections, let's move on to the coding part. Open the Arduino IDE software. This code link I provided in the description. Please check it out. And these are sensor, buzzer and LED pins. Make sure the required library is installed before uploading the code. Now go to Tool option and select the board as an Arduino UNO board. And again go to Tool option and select the correct COM port. Then next, click on Upload the code. Once the code is successfully uploaded, it's time to test the project. Here, I have two options to provide the power to the Arduino board. I am choosing the USB cable to provide the power to the Arduino board. Now let's test the project. When I keep the fire in front of the flame sensor, the Arduino immediately activates the buzzer and the red LED starts blinking to indicate the fire alert. At the same time, the LCD display shows the warning message indicating that a fire has been detected. You can observe the complete working process here. When there is no fire, the system remains in its normal condition. But when the sensor detects the fire, the buzzer starting making the sound and the red LED blinking, and it's showing the warning message on the LCD display. So this is how we can build a simple Arduino based fire alert system using a flame sensor. That's all today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more projects like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.